Feeling like you're just trying to keep up while everyone else has figured it all out? I've been there myself, but here's the thing. Confidence isn't something that you're born with. It's actually something that you can build. So today, I'm sharing with you the 5 simple ways that I've learned over the years to build or boost your confidence in your tech career. Let's dive in. Hi everyone, I'm Dan and welcome to my channel. I'm a solutions architect with over 20 years of experience in the tech industry. One of the things that I used to struggle with is having confidence in what I do and having confidence in knowing where my career is going to be at in 2, 3, 5, 10 years time. I've learned over the years that confidence isn't something that you're naturally born with, and it isn't something that you're going to gain automatically. You have to actually put in some effort yourself to gain and build confidence. And I've learned 5 simple ways that you can apply to start building up your confidence. I'm still using these simple ways even to this day. So if you want to know more about them, let's go. First up, celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Early in my career, I used to shrug off my achievements, thinking that they are not big deal. But what I learned is that celebrating even those small wins helps you stay motivated and keeps you on the right track. Did you finish your tough task? Celebrate it. Learned some new skills? Well, give yourself credit for it. Every win counts. Now, so what are some small wins that you can celebrate? Well, if you're a support analyst, every user issue that you resolve is a win. When you check off yet one more ticket from your queue, breathe and give yourself a tap on your shoulder mentally, because it is a win. If you're a tester, any bug that you have uncovered could be a win for you. And any round of testing that you have completed successfully is a win. Or if you're a project coordinator or a project manager, then you know that reaching any milestone in a project is a win for you. So grab these opportunities to celebrate your win and do that with your teammates. Have a Kit Kat, have a sip of coffee or whatever it is that you do, but celebrate your small wins. Next up, focus on progress, not perfection. Often, good enough is just that. It is good enough for you to move on. I used to get stuck on trying to make things perfect. I questioned my code over and over again. And when I was doing web development, I used to really stress about where to place the buttons. They had to be just right, down to an inch. And once a new design element, like a new picture, was added to the same page, then I would try to make the button align perfectly with the new picture. Often using arrow keys to go left, tap, left, right, up and down, Rinse and repeat when something else is added to the page. It slowed me down. I would stress over a little minute thing when I should have been focusing more on making progress and moving on. At the end of the day, progress is what matters. You make mistakes, sure, but they are part of the journey. Embrace imperfections and you would be making progress faster and you would be building up your confidence. Next one is lean into learning opportunities. In the early days, I was really hesitant to take on projects that I wasn't 100% sure about. I didn't want to be seen as a rookie and I didn't want to seem like some sort of an incompetent person. But over time, I've realized that it is nearly impossible to, go into a project that you know 100% about. That's just not going to happen. And every new challenge is actually a chance to learn and grow. If you don't know something, then there's a chance to learn and there's a chance to grow. So take it. The more you learn, the more confident you become in your abilities. Working in tech means you're constantly learning. Otherwise, you're going to be left behind. Now, learning isn't limited to technical stuff either. I mean, you'll be exposed to things like money and finance, office politics, productivity ideas, how to talk non-techie like, among so many other things. And all of those will help shape you into a well-rounded professional. Number 4, be kind to yourself when you make mistakes. Now, we've already talked about imperfections and how you cannot be perfect all the time. I mean, don't be irresponsible, but don't be too hard on yourself either. I can't tell you how many times I went down hard on myself when things didn't go right. But mistakes are just part of the process. And I'll tell you a little secret. A lot of times, people just don't really care that much about those small mistakes that you make. So there's no need for you to go and blow things out of proportion and make your mistakes bigger than what they were originally. Instead of getting frustrated, maybe take it as an opportunity to learn new things or improve your skills. I know it's easier said than done, and I know it's a challenge, but once I started treating mistakes like opportunities, it took the pressure off me. I could keep cool, and over time, I started feeling more and more confident tackling new, tougher, harder challenges. And last but not the least, surround yourself with a supportive network. I used to think that I had to do everything by myself, and asking questions, and even worse, asking for help was a big no-no. But over time, I realized that I could know and do only so much, really. In fact, asking the right questions or asking for help in the right situations in a timely manner are two of the most important skills that one can have in tech or any other industries. People who know this and appreciate you more for being the person who asks are the type of people that you want to liaise with. Those are the type of people that you want to build your support network with. It is so valuable to have people with you that lift you up. Whether it's a mentor, a colleague, or a friend, find people who help you come up with the right questions and encourage you to ask for help when you need it. They are your support network and they will help you grow. I know for a fact that a good support community or a good support network can do wonders for your confidence. So there you have it. 5 simple ways for you to build up your confidence with. Remember, confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about taking small steps forward. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe leave a comment below. Let me know which one of the 5 that you want to start with first. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.